right, it's October 16th, and they were up here doing a little bit of landscaping. Okay, I know it doesn't look like much, but they had to put dirt in the back for the lawn. I'll show you that in a second. But they started to smooth out a little bit up along the driveway here. Got rid of them big mounds of dirt. Let's go see what else happened. We still have a lot of grading. Okay, I say we. Talking mostly Joe. A lot of grading to do along this driveway here on both sides because as you can see, it's like a river when it rains. But it definitely makes the yard look a little bit bigger. Yeah, it definitely looks different. We have a lot to do right in front to get that a little bit lower than what the concrete is there. Anyway, do what you gotta do. Alright, let's look back here. Alright, so it looks like they did a little bit of grading up here to the concrete. And they filled in where that's going to be grass in the back there.
Got a rough grade on. Got these spoil hills all knocked down. Let's look back at that. Got Phil in here. He said he was gonna plant grass. I'll tell him not to worry about it. It needs to settle, and I could run that with the TR3, get a decent grade on it. All right, I'm gonna grade all this with the TR3. We got the builders just for one more week, and they're willing to plant all this, so it's not the permanent solution that I want. I wanted to re-pitch all this, but since they're willing to plant it and get something growing for now, I'll go ahead and do that. At least get these side banks planted up here and graded out decent. And this back mini yard here, I'll probably hit this too, because all I got is a bucket for the skid steer, and that TR3 is going to give us a much better finish to plant grass seed on. Got them spikes all the way down, so I had to switch to low gear. Alright, here's an after look. I pushed all of the crap and crud down here. So I'm going to push all this into the woods and then just finish this little area here, tie it together with that backyard. So, good progress. Alright, here's after look. It's for TR3. This is the side yard. We're getting ready to plant it right now. We're just waiting on the seed. Should be here in a few minutes. And this is a little mini backyard. Probably could have used a little more dirt maybe, but it'll be all right. All right, here's the after look of seed prep. I like it a lot better. Nice and soft for the grass. I didn't plan on planting this soon. I wanted to regrade all this because I was going to move these ditches out some more, but they already bought the stuff. They're here to do it, so we'll get some grass growing on it hopefully, and then we'll see how the water does. And I'll probably end up doing a 3-inch, not quite rip-wrap, 3-inch ditch over here on this side. So
All right, October 17th, and it looks like they got the area seeded. Bunch of straw on it. See what else happened.